In the world of crypto, tensions can run high. Take the recent saga involving FTX, the US-based crypto exchange that found itself in hot water. After a dispute that kicked off in November, FTX's bankruptcy team has finally reached an agreement with liquidators in the Bahamas. The issue at hand, the recovery of potentially billions of dollars in lost funds. But it looks like they're making headway. The agreement involves sharing information, securing property, and coordinating litigation against third parties. It's a significant step forward considering the Bahamian regulators had seized FTX assets, which led to accusations of collusion and a general air of distrust. As for FTX's founder, Sam Bankman-Fried, he's been arrested on fraud charges. The bankruptcy team is now squarely focused on recovering assets to repay creditors. The crypto world watches on as the details of the seized assets and the agreement continue to unfold.